From online shops to in-store purchases, I want to educate the youth by becoming young entrepreneurs by reselling products that increase income by reselling shoes or streetwear. From beginners to advanced reselling methods, I show you ways to make money from the comfort of your chair to early morning grinding sessions. Join me into living a reseller lifestyle. Alright guys, so these are what it looks like. I am already selling a couple. The quality on these are absolutely amazing. Obviously the laces are reflective. I've always tried to get a pair on the first drop. Unfortunately I didn't get lucky, but on this drop I got several, like I said. 8.5, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10.5, and 9 again. So it was a success. Like I said, guys, if I were you guys, I would hold on to these. I know I'm selling a couple to my cousins and stuff like that, so big shout out to my cousins for always helping me and supporting me. So yeah, anyways guys, I'm excited to see what's going to be in the next drop for the Bred 11s coming out in December 14th. So stay tuned for that, and then yeah, let's keep on cooking. What is up, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys are new, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button, and most importantly, today's topic is going to be about the Bred 11s. If you guys don't know, it is going to be releasing this December 14th, and it's an opportunity to make some money. Now, regard to this video today, I'm going to be talking about what the retail price, what the resale predictions are going to be, as well as what I recommend you guys doing to possibly getting this pair for retail, because obviously nobody wants to pay resale value.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So first things first, guys, the retail price is going to be at $220, and then after tax it's going to be like $230 something. The resale value is going to be between $280 to $300 depending on the size that you get. Now obviously guys, I always recommend you guys getting the smallest sizes, but like I said, this is going to be a little bit different because the Bred 11s is a Jordan shoe, and I did hear that they did mass produce a lot of these shoes, or yeah, they did mass produce the shoe and stuff like that. So I also heard that it's going to be a family full-size run. So you are going to be looking at toddlers, grade school, and as well as men's sizes. So yeah, that does increase your chances of actually getting the shoe. I've actually know a couple of stores that are actually going to be having hundreds of pairs. Now I don't know how many people are going to be picking up the reservations, but what I always like to tell people is if you do not hit on the apps, which like I said, I always mention, either it's Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, which is, I think it already expired because, no, I'm pretty sure it did expire because I actually lost that one, but that's, who cares about that one. I still have chances for the Foot Locker, Foot Action, East Bay, and I think some other one.
Another one.
Anyways guys, always go into those raffles and always get those head starts. I always recommend you guys following on Twitter FTL codes, which is like the check-in codes and stuff. And then I even made previous videos before showing you guys how you guys can enter those codes and then change it back to your zip code so you can get the stores near you. Now once you guys have the check-in codes, obviously you guys get head starts and you guys now have 10 minutes. I do believe that the thing is expiring. I do believe that the head start ends, I think, Wednesday or Thursday, so you guys still have a little bit of time. The other thing like I always recommend is like going to Finish Line at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, or whatever time that converts to your specific time, whatever, and picking up the reservations that people didn't pick up, because obviously guys, there's always going to be people that don't pick up the reservation either because they don't have enough money, they forget, or whatever, something might come up, I don't know. So that's always recommended. And then obviously going to the Foot Locker, Champs, or anything like that at 3 p.m. on a Saturday, and then picking up more reservations that people didn't pick up. It's really simple guys. I recommend you guys just selling locally. I think it's not going to be that crazy of resale. And please don't sell it on StockX guys, because every time everyone does that, it fluctuates the prices and the prices start getting lower and lower, and it just creates a huge mess, and then a lot of little kids and everyone else just kind of ruin the market, and it gets a little bit of annoying. So if you guys actually want to make money, I recommend you guys doing pre-orders. If you guys have connections to these shoes, or you know for a fact that you're going to win, it has several comps, then that just increases your chances. So that's like the best advice that I can give you of trying to get the shoe for retail. Other than that guys, like I said, you can always sell the items on OfferUp. Go to your local Facebook group, like shout out to Cream or any other stuff like that. or any just shoe group that you guys may know or are aware of. But other than that, guys, yeah, don't sell on GOAT, don't sell on StockX, because it just kills the market and it's kind of annoying. So yeah, don't do that. But anyways, guys, this is pretty much it for this video. Obviously, this Bred 11 is going to be a crazy thing for Chicago, since you guys already know that that relates to the Chicago Bulls, and it's always been a crazy colorway for anyone that lives here in Illinois. So I'm actually really happy about this release. I think this release came several years ago, so I'm actually excited to get a hold of these Bred 11s, since I know I will be able to. So anyways, guys, if you guys want me to show you guys a video on how to set up for the bot thing, I can go ahead and do that for you. Big shout out to AIO bot. If you guys haven't gotten it yet, make sure you guys purchase it below. I always have the link right there, and I already told you what code to use, so you guys get, I think, 30% off, not 50 anymore, or whatever the price may be. But anyways, guys, thanks again for watching my video, and please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, and any support by you just liking my stuff, commenting, or just literally subscribing literally helps me out and motivates me to make more videos. And then I look forward to making another video for tomorrow regarding the Supreme box logo, which is going to be releasing this Thursday as well. So be on the lookout for that, guys, because there's a lot of money opportunities coming this entire week and weekend. Oh, one more thing. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm trying to do before January 1st of 2020, which is one of my huge goals, I am going to be giving out a pair of shoes. I don't know what shoe I'm going to be giving out yet, but a lot of people are anticipating me doing a Yeezy giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. I will probably post something on my social media at SellSneakerz. I'll put it down in the description down below, and also probably on this side or on this side. So yeah, anyways, guys, make sure you guys follow me on my social media stuff and be on the lookout for this giveaway. So please do help me get to 1,000 subscribers, because this does mean a lot to me. And just like I said, it just helps me create more content for you guys. Anyways, thanks, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.